Hey guys, Sunny here. Today is Wednesday, December the 16th, and we're trading natural gas. I read some weather reports this morning. There seems to be a winter storm coming in the northeast. Other places in US the weather is kind of mild, but this winter could push the prices of natural gas higher. Now, the natural gas prices are already on the high side. So it's possible, the prices will just whiplash around this area, like 2.67, 2.67, 2.7. Uh, I it's very unlikely that the price will go up to 3. The reason being we have a lot of gas in storage. Last week additional rigs were added. We have to see this week's rig report, which will be released on Friday. And let's see what the report says, and then based on that we can make further predictions. But as of now, it's unlikely the price will reach $3. So it will fluctuate between 2.67 and 2.7. So we have to trade accordingly. Like on 21-day 1 hour chart and 180-day 4 hour chart, it's indicating overbought conditions. But it doesn't mean the price still can go higher. It absolutely can, and we have to trade accordingly, keeping that in mind. So this morning, like around market open, like around, let's say, around 9 a.m. Yeah, the natural gas was bullish. Overnight it fell down and then it shot back up, and then around 9:30 it came down again, and then shot back up, and now it's on the way back down. So I traded like a few shares, not too many, like 50 shares. I bought and sold, you know. Uh, but yeah, let's see how today goes. I'm expecting mostly sideways trading. So yeah, I'm like today, I had like bad days last 3 days continuously. Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Monday being the biggest loss. So let's see how I do today. I'm, I think I have learned from my mistakes in the past 3 days. So hopefully today I'll do better. So as of now, like 5 minute chart is indicating the prices will go down. On 1 minute chart it's already on the way down. It can go a little bit further down, but on 5 minute chart, uh, we don't have the confirmation yet, but it's looking like the prices will go down. So let's see how far they go. Even on like a 180-day 4 hour chart, the MACD has crossed over, indicating weakness in natural gas prices. So if it weren't for the winter storm, uh, probably it would already be coming down. Instead of like going further up, it will still be coming down. It would continue to go down. On 1 minute chart, it's still keeping below the EMA line, so that's indicating the prices will fall further. But if it goes above EMA line, then yeah, I mean and then that means that the prices will go up. So let's see what's going on. And it bounced. It went above the EMA line. And then it came back. Yeah, today it looks like it's just gonna whiplash a lot, because there are a lot of sellers in the market because the prices are higher. At the same time, there are like a bunch of buyers in the market because of the winter storm and cold weather. Then we have this on 5 minute chart we have this green SMA line, so that could act as a resistance. The same thing with 1 minute chart, we have the middle VWAP and the green SMA line, that could act as a resistance, as a support. So I'm invested in KOLD and I have 1190 shares. I bought and sold 50 shares here and there, but majority of this is from Friday last week. On 1 minute chart is still keeping below the EMA line. The EMA line itself is like turning around now. Yeah, the last few days it's been like a bit hard to predict. Yeah, right there. I mean, it was looking like it was gonna turn around. It's been below that resistance line I drew like a while ago. Let's see the 20-day volume chart. Yeah, see it hit the November lows and then came back down. Yeah, it's already middle of the month, so we should be switching to the February of the features for February, which isn't much different than for January, but it just makes more sense. The EMA lines, the SMA lines. Alright, so the middle VWAP. We also have the green SMA line there. But it looks like it's gonna. I was thinking that it was gonna break through it. Yeah, I mean, the price is being high, the downward momentum is higher. Right, looks like it broke through the VWAP and the SMA. Let's see if it bounces down. On 5-minute chart, the MACD has crossed over, so that's a good indication that the prices would continue to fall. And these signals, the way I say is like with a good probability. It doesn't have to happen like that. But I speak this can happen or that can happen. Like when I say it's gone below the VWAP, that indicates that ticket prices will continue to fall. Now, it doesn't have to happen like that. The prices can turn around quickly and then go in the other direction, but that's what is more likely to happen. If something, if a stock breaks through the support level, it's likely to continue to go down. And similarly, if it breaks through the resistance level, it's likely that it will continue to go up. Sometimes it's like a range. Like the resistance and support level, they are a range. So within the range, things can happen. It doesn't have to bounce off the VWAP exactly. It can bounce like slightly above or slightly below that. That's like absolutely possible. So as of now, it looks like, because it broke through the VWAP, it looks like it will continue to go down, but it's still within the range. Alright, so looks like it went back up the VWAP line, but it's still keeping below the EMA line. Alright, came back below the VWAP. And it's back up the VWAP line, but still below the EMA line. I can't say for sure, like when this EMA line hits the VWAP line, then we'll see what happens, and then that will be like more definitive of what's going to happen. Alright, it went above the EMA. On 1 minute chart, it's like the MACD has crossed up, but on 5 minute chart, it's crossed down and it's like continuing to go down. Yeah, looks like it's more likely to continue going down. Let's say. still keeping below the EMA line. So that is bearish. I would like to see what happens when this EMA line here hits the VWAP line. Yeah, this middle VWAP line is like it looks like a big support. The price has been there for some time now. At this point here, like it's been giving good resistance to the prices, but then after a while it shot up. So that doesn't mean that it can't still go down. But I'm just stating the fact that there's a lot of resistance at this level. The MACD line itself is curling around, and the price just bounced off that EMA line, so it looks like now it's changing direction. Let's see, I'm going to try to sell 100, 45. So I'm going to sell now and then buy it back when it goes back up. And that's the plan. Alright. Yeah, I can't say for sure. What's gonna happen? Like right at this moment. Let's see, I'm gonna try to sell 100 at 45.70. Let's see if I get filled. No, you know, the bid is at 45.52. This ask is at 45.61. Yeah, just drop down. Oh, I'm reluctant to sell my coal position because it already dropped below the VWAP, and it's crossing. MACD is crossing down again on 1 minute chart, and on 5 minute chart, it's continuing to go down. We are also at the lower price channel, so and it dropped like suddenly. So let me see if we can still sell at 45.90. No, it's like more likely price will continue to go down. So I just cancel my order. I'm thinking the prices will continue to go down. Yeah, on 21-day chart, the stock is making lower highs. That's a good indication that overall the prices are going down. 180-day chart, the MACD has already crossed down, indicating prices will go down. Like 180-day chart is like a long-term chart, so intraday it could still whiplash up and down, but on a day-by-day basis, it will continue to go down. So if you see the 5-minute chart, you can see it made lower highs than yesterday. And yesterday it was like it made lower highs than the day before. So this kind of trend indicates the prices are going down. Yep, still keeping below the EMA line. Yeah. Yeah, like today is like just like it goes up for a moment and then suddenly changes direction. I just saw that it went up and then quickly came down. Um, yeah, this is like not normal. And lately the volume has been low. As of now, we only have like 19,000, 20,000 shares for natural gas futures being traded, and this is for the month of February. Yeah, it's possible that the prices will change direction from here. And we have this diagonal trend line. I'm not a big fan of diagonal trend lines, but sometimes they do help. Right. It's not quite oversold in 5-minute chart. Sorry, 1-minute chart. 5-minute chart. The trend seems to be down still. I'm just wondering how much further down it will go before turning around. So on 1-minute chart, the MACD is at like 3.31, minus 3.31. Let's see if it comes down to -5. Let's see if I can make a support line. And this seems to be a this seems to be a good support line. If you see, even before, like last night around 11:49 p.m. If you draw this line, here the prices were bouncing off this area. Let's see if it comes down to that area. I have my sell order ready. Once it comes to this area, I might sell 100. I say I might because like when it comes to that place, I might see that it will continue to go down. So that in that case, I won't sell. This metal EMA line here has taken quite a sharp run. Like it's about turning around, and then it made like a real sharp turn. Went up the EMA. Didn't quite reach the support. But let's see if it continues to go down, bounces back up from the EMA. And the EMA is like pointing, way too much in the downward direction. Once in a while it will just go up and then come back down. So we still need a confirmation. Right, came back down. So this is a level of the 50-day EMA on 180-day 4-hour chart at 2.622. So I set up an alert at 2.623. Like if it reaches that area, it's good chances that will turn around from that area. Which is like similar to what we had at around 7 a.m. Yeah, for the most part today, uh, most likely the prices will trade in the range. Like around 2.62 to 2.66, 2.67, let's say. You know, yeah, I'm thinking for the most part today it's gonna go sideways, uh, because the weather is bullish for natural gas. On this, at the same time, we have high storage in the high amounts of gas in the storage, so that will try to keep the prices down. But the bullish crowd will try to take advantage of the weather patterns. The bearish crowd will try to take advantage of the excess storage. So most likely it will trade in the range today. Alright guys, I have to get going and do a lot of other things. I will update you in the evening how things went today. But hopefully it will be better than yesterday and day before yesterday and Friday. Monday was like particularly bad. Friday was like, I lost $280. That was like nothing compared to the money that I made on Thursday. But Monday was particularly bad. And we only have like a few days left in this week. And I think on a weekly basis I'm still down. So, I have like a couple of days to change that. So let's see how today trades. And I'll update you in the evening. Alright, good luck to you guys for whatever you're trading today. And I will catch up with you in the evening. Take care guys. Bye for now.